Welcome to another video. And this one will focus on the CES element, which is a customer effort score in Titan Web Survey. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you where the element lives. So if you click plus and click on survey, it's over here. So right here. All right. And then you click on it, you will find the customer effort score over here. So let me show you this one. That's what we're looking for. And from here on, basically, you just drag this across and play with this. I'm going to show you how it works. So let's say I drag it over. Obviously, the CES, the first thing you'll notice is the color. You've got darker shade of blue here, and then it gets lighter, and so on. So you may want to change this. What you can do is you go to Project, click on Style, click Configure, and then in the search column, you just want to type CES. And here, we give you all the colors. So if you click on Item over here, and then click on Fill over here, you can see you've got different colors available for each CES. And that will change based off the colors you obviously give, no matter how many values. So we will do that for you. So for example, if I have to go this one red, this one slightly more red. Let's see if I can actually do this. Probably go orange. And then the final one, I'll probably go for a bit of a yellow than there. All right, this is good to me. All right, and then let's say, for example now, what I'm going to do is just create an account and I'm going to push that value straight into this field here, survey response. That's it. It's just a simple text field, nothing more than that. And that's what I'm going to do. So we'll get an input field, call it text box. And then here, we'll just go ahead and let's do it again. All right, we'll call this one account name. And then I will get a button. Now, before I show you the actual push here, one of the things I really want to focus on is the fact that you can get this from Salesforce also. So you can choose any object and then go ahead and choose whatever pick list within that object is available. So it will kind of look like this. If I go into preview, you can see it's pulled in all the different values. And obviously more the values, the more the color will spread across. If you do less values, for example, let's say we do prospect rating, which I think I know only has about 4 values. So we'll go into the matrix now. You can see how, the color is automatically spread across like that. And in fact, we will stick with this. We can use this. It works. Or you can add your own custom values in the static values column like this. Doesn't matter either way you do it. So this one's good to go. All I've got to do is back my push. And we will set up our brand new push here, call it account. I'm going to call this CES push. And in the mapping, we'll do account name to account name. And survey response field is going to be my CES value or label. Now, what is the difference between value and label? And it often gets asked. So think about it like this. Think about, in fact, let me demonstrate it for you. Let me come out of here. What is the difference between value and label? So let's say if I was running a test. Test is what's 2 plus 2? And I give my contestants 3 answers. Now, I know for a fact this is, hold on, let me get an arrow here. I know this is the right answer, okay? However, I do not want to push the answer, rather I want to give them points. So, for example, I know 10 is a wrong answer, so I'll give them 0. Sorry, 2 is a wrong answer, I'll give them 0. I know 4 is a correct answer, I'll give them 10 points. And then 6 is also a wrong answer if it's 2 plus 2. So what happens is, in our push there, essentially we give you 2 options. We say, if you want to push the label, then choose the label. But if you want to push the value, choose the value. That is the distinct difference between the two, is that when we say push the label, you essentially get to push all of these. And when we say value, you essentially get to push all of these. That's the difference. That's what you need to be aware of. Obviously, in some case, probably most of the cases, the label and value are actually the same, so it doesn't matter what you choose. In dynamic case, I'm just going to choose the value. So what I'll do is I'll go in here. And again, it's up to you what you choose. Just be mindful of what they do. As long as you understand the underlying premise, that's all that matters. So back into the push here. We'll create it again, choose account. In the mapping, I'll say account name to name, and my survey response is going to be either or, it doesn't matter. So I'll just choose label for now. And it's going to be a create CES, like that. All right, so here it is. It's good to go. I'm just going to apply it, apply, save, and now let's run a quick preview. So I'm going to say CES account, and I'm going to push the value warm. So I'll click submit. It's going to push the data to Salesforce. Let's go and check via integration logs. My account has been created. And now a few things to be aware of here, that as you can see, my value has been pushed here, which is the survey warm, response warm, and then this was the account name. So that's it. That's all there is to this video.